Hello parents, welcome to our first digital tutorial on how to access Google Classroom. So once a student logs in using their 9-digit ID number and their password, this is what they will see. If you don't know what that information is, please reach out to the teacher. They should have it. So then we're going to go up here to the right and it says Google Apps. It looks like a little waffle. We're going to go down to Classroom. So once this page is loaded, they will see their assigned grade. So we're going to just go to first grade for the time being. Then under this page, which is Stream, is where you will see all the posts from teachers and our principals. So see if you see Mr. Lowe's already posted something. Um, Make sure you take the time to read all these posts because it is one of the few ways that we can communicate with everyone right now. So we're going to go scroll down until we find our principal's message. We're going to take some time to read it. Then we're going to prop open first grade virtual school landing page. Right here is where we have suggested schedules. So if you take some time to read all this, and then if you scroll down, you'll see each schedule suggests 20 minutes of family time, 40 minutes of reading and writing, 20 minutes of movement break, 40 minutes of math, a lunch. And if we go down here, so this right here, let me see. So this is the family time, recommended 20 minutes. Additional digital resources. So there's under each one of the family times, the reading and writing there, they have additional programs and supports. So here, let's say for Monday, it's suggesting that you try out yoga with your family. Tuesday, draw together with author illustrator Mo Willems. So for every day, it has a suggestion. This is a simplified schedule for you to follow with your student. Down here, Monday, read a shell is great for protection. Recommended time is 40 minutes. Break into smaller amounts if needed, depending on how your student is feeling. You'll find a basic plan for more in-depth learning sequence. For the reading and writing block, click here. So if you want a more in-depth, go ahead and click there. We're just going to stay here for the time being. Additional digital program is their iReady Reading. If you need to know their username and password, please reach out to the teacher. They should have it. So now that we're done looking at the virtual school landing page, we're going to go back to our stream and we are going to go to classwork. Classwork is where they will find their school learning notebook, their virtual learning notebook. And this is where the students are going to record all their learning that they've done for that day. So they simply just add the date. So today's the 10th, April 10th, 2020. For language arts, the student will write down what they did or they learned or whatever was suggested here. So answer the questions at the end of the article or tell someone 3 things you learned. That's where they would submit their questions that they answered. So then we're going to go back to stream. And I just want to remind you that these first few days are intended for families to get familiarized with Google Classroom. They're intended for you to explore it, for you to ask questions, for you to make sure you understand how it works. So don't be too overwhelmed with it because it's normal to feel that way. We're all learning together, so if you have any questions, please reach out to us. So I hope this video helped, and like I said, if there are any questions, feel free to reach out.